Should I put the whole cashew? Yeah, I think. Meanwhile, in this kadai, what is this? Pan. No, not pan. I don't know how much milk to put. This is 500 ml, I think. Hi guys, so in goes chili, chopped chili. The pan is super heated, so. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then hi, this is Sheen and welcome to another kitchen series. Of course, we are going to cook today and I'm doing this after a long time, but we are doing this very often now. Can you see this file? Foods to try, and I have saved a lot of recipes from Instagram and I want to try all of these. These are a lot. It's 11:45 and of course, like I didn't have breakfast, so I thought something good and something very tasty for lunch, please. Yes, and we are going to.
It's called Japan chicken, and it has absolutely nothing to do with Japanese food.
She calls it Japan chicken, and it got nothing to do with Japanese or Japan.
The thing they have in common is that this dish is called Japan chicken, and it has absolutely nothing to do with Japanese food.
It looks super yummy, so I thought I am going to prepare this for today, and I am all set. I have most of the ingredients here. I ordered from Zepto a few ingredients that I didn't have, like cashew. We need cashew and stuff. So let's go do this and see how it tastes.
One eternity later.
Okay, it took so long for me to clean the chicken. They've given all the instruction here, so I'm just gonna follow that. Which says first 500 gram of boneless chicken. I don't have boneless, but I have with bones. I like it that way. And 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Okay, salt and pepper to taste. Okay, cool. This is for marination. We are going to follow the same. We'll do it in this bowl. In goes the chicken. They have asked for boneless, but I have with bones. I don't like boneless chicken, so I ordered with bones. And then anda. Ta-da! 1 egg. And what? 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of corn flour.
Best creations ever. And as always, I had this cubes of chicken breast with an egg, some salt, pepper, and arrowroot of corn.
Salt and pepper. A little bit of salt and pepper.
And an air fry, bake, or pan fry.
She has air fried it, but we'll do it in the pan itself. I think we have to grind the cashew for the cashew paste and leave it for marination. Okay, the next process is we have to powder the cashew nuts, and this is the paste. This is the cashew paste. Meanwhile, in this kadai, what is this? Pan. No, not pan. What is this called? The chicken already looks yummy. Now I'll just close this and let it cook for a while. They have asked butter, but I don't have butter, rather I have ghee. I'll just put 1 tablespoon of ghee, and then chopped garlic and chili is what they said. In goes chili, chopped chili. The pan is super heated, so
Enjoy this with some soft chapatis, rice, or noodles, or just rice does, because it tastes.
I don't know how much milk to put. This is 500 ml, I think. I'll just put 500 ml. I am not sure. I will let you know if the measurement goes wrong. You just have to keep stirring this and then adding the cashew powder. This is how it is looking right now. I don't know like if I'm doing it the right way, or I don't know if it is going to turn out being some kheer or something. Chicken kheer. Wow. I'll add in the cashew powder once that is boiling, and she said salt, pepper and sugar. Salt and pepper is still fine. Sugar, little doubtful with sugar. Should I put the whole cashew? Yeah, I think it's like 100 grams of cashew powder. You see that is all cashew paste, so it should be like mixed properly. You see that big chunk there? That should all be mixed properly, and then it should be like a clear paste. I'm gonna put very little sugar because I don't want it to taste sweet. I like the taste of pepper, so I'm gonna put a little more pepper. This has become thick right now. It has become this thick already, and I think the chicken should go in. Okay, you guys, I prepared chapati, sprinkled some coriander on top, and this is how it looks. Let's do the taste test. You get the taste of pepper, after you take some bites, and I think, like, at least as per my liking, I rather prefer a little more pepper. I think pepper is little less, and the sauce is, like the milk and the cashew is like sort of over dominating on pepper. 10 on 10 for this recipe. Cheers. Do let me know if you try it as well. I think you should give it a try. Half liter of milk is fine for half kg of chicken. See you all in my next one. Bye.